Madagascar, a land of contrasts where lush rainforests meet arid deserts. This island's diverse landscapes hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. Welcome to Madagascar, a land of extraordinary biodiversity and a treasure trove of unique wildlife. Often referred to as the eighth continent, Great Red Island and Isle of St. Lawrence, this island nation is home to species found nowhere else on Earth. Join us as we explore the enchanting world of Madagascar's wildlife, from the iconic lemurs to the majestic baobab trees. Welcome to the Bookshelf Creative, your home of nature and wildlife stories. Madagascar is synonymous with lemurs, primate wonders that embody the spirit of this island. With over 100 species, lemurs are a vital part of Madagascar's ecosystem. Let's meet some of the most fascinating among them. First, we have the ring-tailed lemur, easily recognized by its striking black and white striped tail. These social creatures thrive in groups, where they communicate through a variety of vocalizations and gestures. Their playful antics have captured hearts worldwide, and they even inspired characters like King Julian from the beloved film Madagascar. As night descends, we encounter one of Madagascar's most mysterious inhabitants, the eye. With its elongated middle finger and large eyes, this nocturnal lemur is often misunderstood. Its unique foraging technique involves tapping on trees to locate grubs beneath the bark, showcasing nature's ingenuity and adaptation. Next up is the mouse lemur, one of the smallest primates in the world. These tiny creatures weigh less than a mouse and are primarily nocturnal, making them elusive yet enchanting. Their big eyes and delicate features make them a favorite among researchers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Listen closely. The haunting calls of the Indri, Madagascar's largest lemur, echo through the trees. Unlike their cousins, Indris are known for their vertical clinging and leaping abilities. Their unique vocalizations serve as both communication and territorial claims in their forest home. Despite their charm, many lemur species face dire threats. Over 90% of Madagascar's forests have been destroyed due to logging and agriculture, pushing these remarkable animals closer to extinction. Conservation efforts are crucial for their survival. Did you know? A group of lemurs is called a conspiracy. Eye lemurs have 6 fingers on each hand, including a toilet claw used for grooming. The word lemur comes from Roman mythology, meaning ghost or spirit, because of their haunting calls and reflective eyes. Some lemur species can hibernate for up to 7 months of the year. The eye has a specialized third finger that is extremely thin and much longer than its other fingers. This finger has its own dedicated enlarged nerve canal in its skull, allowing for enhanced sensory perception, similar to how humans have a large nerve canal for our sensitive fingertips. Using this specialized finger, eyes can detect hollow spaces in wood through a process called percussive foraging. They tap on trees and listen for insect tunnels. Their extraordinary ears can hear the movement of grubs under tree bark. When an eye finds food, it can gnaw through wood as hard as concrete using its continuously growing incisors. What makes Madagascar's wildlife so extraordinary? The answer lies in its isolation. When this massive island broke away from Africa, it carried with it ancestral species that would evolve in remarkable ways. Like a vast natural laboratory, Madagascar became a showcase of convergent and divergent evolution. Species here didn't just adapt, they transformed, filling ecological niches in ways found nowhere else on Earth. Now, meet Madagascar's apex predator, the Fossa. This remarkable carnivore combines the agility of a cat with the keen hunting instincts of a mongoose, which they're related to. With a muscular body reaching up to 6 feet in length, including its tail, the fossa is perfectly adapted for pursuing prey through the treetops. Their retractable claws and reversible ankles allow them to climb headfirst down trees, making them formidable hunters of lemurs and other arboreal creatures that live in trees. Despite their fearsome reputation, fossas are themselves vulnerable to extinction. With fewer than 2,500 mature individuals remaining in the wild, every fossa is precious to Madagascar's delicate ecological balance. These skilled hunters are a testament to Madagascar's unique evolutionary history, having developed their specialized hunting techniques over millions of years of isolation. Madagascar is the world's chameleon capital, home to nearly 2/3 of all known chameleon species. These living jewels come in an astounding variety of shapes, sizes and colors. From the tiny Brookesia micra, no larger than your fingernail, to the impressive Parsons chameleon, reaching lengths of up to 2 feet. The panther chameleon showcases nature's most spectacular color-changing abilities. Their skin contains special cells called chromatophores that can shift between brilliant blues, reds and greens in response to temperature, mood and social signals. But perhaps most remarkable is their ballistic tongue, which can stretch to twice their body length and capture prey in less than a fraction of a second. Did you know? Chameleons don't change color to match their surroundings. They do it to regulate temperature and communicate with other chameleons. A chameleon's tongue can accelerate 5 times faster than a fighter jet. The fossa can rotate its ankles 180 degrees to climb down trees head first. Some chameleons are so tiny they could fit on your fingertip, while others grow longer than your forearm. The fossa is the only natural predator of the largest lemurs. Madagascar boasts an array of unique birds, including several endemic species. Among them is the Madagascar fish eagle, an apex predator whose population has dwindled due to habitat loss. And let's not forget about Madagascar's owls. The Madagascar long-eared owl, with its striking appearance and silent flight, plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance as a nocturnal hunter. Among Madagascar's diverse bird life, the Madagascar Fody stands out with its brilliant breeding plumage. The males transform from brown to bright scarlet red during mating season, earning them the nickname Red Cardinals of Madagascar. These resourceful birds construct elaborate nest pouches woven from grass and palm fibers, often building several decoy nests to confuse predators. Beyond their striking appearance, Madagascar Fodies play a crucial role in their ecosystem as seed dispersers and pollinators. Their presence or absence in an area can be an important indicator of habitat health. Beyond its famous vertebrates, Madagascar hosts an astonishing variety of insects. The Madagascar sunset moth, with wings that rival any butterfly in beauty, demonstrates how even the smallest creatures here evolved into something extraordinary. The island's more than 100 species of praying mantises include some that perfectly mimic orchids, a masterclass in evolutionary camouflage. The island's flora is equally remarkable. The traveller's palm, despite its name, is actually a close relative of the bird of paradise plant. It stores rainwater in its leaf bases, providing vital hydration for both wildlife and human travelers. The fascinating pitcher plants have evolved to trap and digest insects, adapting to nutrient-poor soils. Towering above the landscape are the iconic Baobab trees, often called the Tree of Life. These ancient giants can live for over 2,000 years, storing water in their massive trunks to survive harsh droughts. Their unique shape has made them symbols of resilience in Madagascar's diverse ecosystems. Did you know? Madagascar's 6 species of baobab trees make up 75% of all baobab species in the world. A single large baobab tree can store up to 120,000 litres of water in its trunk, enough to fill about 1,500 bathtubs. Some of Madagascar's baobab trees started growing when the Roman Empire was still in power. They're over 2,000 years old. Yet this paradise faces peril. Species like the critically endangered radiated tortoise, known for its stunning shell patterns, and our friend the Fossa, are threatened by habitat destruction and illegal wildlife trade. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect these vulnerable species and restore their habitats. To understand why Madagascar is so unique, we must look back millions of years. Once part of the supercontinent Gondwana, Madagascar separated from Africa around 160 million years ago, allowing its flora and fauna to evolve in isolation. This long period has led to an astonishing level of endemism. Over 75% of its wildlife is found nowhere else on Earth. Did you know? Madagascar has been isolated from other land masses for over 88 million years, longer than the time since dinosaurs went extinct. About 75% of Madagascar's animals exist nowhere else on Earth. A single acre of Madagascar's rainforest may contain over 1,000 species of plants and animals. The island has over 300 species of frogs, and scientists are still discovering new ones. Baobab trees can store up to 31,700 gallons of water in their trunks. While Madagascar's wildlife faces numerous challenges, there are rays of hope. The Barenti Reserve has successfully protected ring-tailed lemurs for over 40 years. Community-led projects are helping protect the Indri in their remaining forest habitats. These success stories show how local involvement in conservation can make a real difference. Madagascar is not just an island. It's a living laboratory, a testament to nature's creativity and resilience. From the mysterious Fossa to the colour-changing chameleons, from the iconic lemurs to the vibrant Madagascar Fody, this island continues to amaze and inspire. As we face growing environmental challenges, the preservation of Madagascar's unique wildlife becomes more crucial than ever. Each species plays a vital role in this complex web of life, a web that, once broken, may never be rewoven. Click this video to continue learning about the beautiful and extraordinary wildlife around us.